Shillong PC, out of the available data that we have, has a polling percentage of 63.56% approximately. 63.56%. 63.56%. And Tura parliamentary constituency has a polling percentage of approximately 75.60. So together, on an average, is about 67.03%. But I must reaffirm that these are still tentative figures because we are still yet to get information from more than 600 polling stations. So these are the figures that are available as of now. Silsila also went to the by-polls today, and polling was largely peaceful and it was incident-free. And Silsila, in fact, has recorded a very high polling percentage of 82% or so. Here also we are yet to get data from a few polling stations, but we can safely say that the polling percentage was about 82% in Silsila. And then apart from that, cases of malfunction of mainly VVPATs, not VUs and CUs, but mainly VVPATs in a few polling stations, but the problems were effectively resolved, and polling resumed as per the protocol which was laid down by the Election Commission in the presence of the observers, in the presence of the political agents, the various polling agents of the various political parties. So these were the major highlights. Oh yes, and I forgot to mention that Silsila also, which went to the by-poll, sometimes we tend to forget.